People always ask me, Mike, why are you a conservative Republican? Let me tell you why. I'm a conservative Republican because I believe that it is not our government's job to take care of all of my needs. I don't want anyone to have that much control of my life. Do you? I trust the judgment of my neighbors and friends far more than I do of our national political leaders. That's why I believe that our federal government should be smaller, not larger, just like the Constitution intended it to be. I believe that Americans are the greatest force for freedom and prosperity in the whole world. Our world would be a better place if the government just got out of our way. I believe in helping those that have fallen on hard times, but it should not be a lifelong entitlement. I expect us to help our fellow Americans as they stumble or fall, but I also expect them to work equally hard to get back up and stay up. I believe that we shouldn't have to work hard every day and then pay a large portion to the government. Listen, if I'm smart enough to earn the money, I'm smart enough to spend it. I believe that there's honor in serving our country in the armed forces. To all of my fellow Marines, hoorah! I'm proud of my country today. It's the greatest country in the entire world. And we shouldn't have to be apologizing to others because of our strength and our leadership. I agree with Ronald Reagan that we have never had a war because our military was too strong. Did everyone forget that it was our large military buildup that constrained the Soviet Union and then bankrupted them in their efforts to keep up with us? That ultimately helped us win. Think about that for a moment. I'm a Christian and know that my country was founded on Judeo-Christian values. If you don't agree, then spend some time reading the writings of my founding fathers and take a quick trip to Washington, D.C. to see all the references to God on our monuments and our government buildings. Now, that doesn't mean you have to practice Christianity, or for that matter, even believe it. But it does mean that you at least have to allow us to practice our religion. In return, we'll show the same respect. I believe in the Second Amendment. Our Constitution guarantees us the right to keep and bear arms. That's good enough for me. I believe in the Constitution and that the federal government's powers were restricted for a reason. If you haven't done so, read the Constitution tonight. You might be surprised by what you read. I know that the First Amendment of the Constitution guarantees that our government will not prohibit the free exercise of religion. You hear that, ACLU? That includes Christianity. So stop telling my kids they can't be praying in public schools. I believe that taxation is okay as long as it's approved by the people. Remember, for the people, by the people, by the people, for the people. Let us decide what we want to do with it. Listen, the conservative vision of America is that individuals and families, they take care of themselves. They earn their own money. They take responsibility for the education of their kids. They pay for their own housing. They pay for their own food. They plan and pay for their retirement. They plan on being self-sufficient. The left's vision is that the government takes care of your family. They magically provide the needs, everything you need, and they educate your children. They promise to provide for your retirement with funds that will not exist when you need them. The left doesn't want you to be self-sufficient. If you're self-sufficient, you can't be controlled by them. They want every American to need them so they can make the decisions for you. I know they sell this utopian idea that everything can be equal, and I'd love to see that world. But the reality is that someone has to pay for things. If you've ever heard that if it's too good to be true, it probably is, well, this is what's too good to be true. It's not that conservatives don't want to have health care coverage or have everyone own their own house. That would be great. Who wouldn't want those things for our citizens? It's not that conservatives don't want a safety net for the most vulnerable citizens. It's just that we know that at the rate these programs are expanding, it's not reality. We know that it's not fiscally sustainable to continue providing all these goods and services. We realize that these programs will collapse under their own weight. Contrary to the left, conservatives do not believe that expanding the government is the right solution for these issues or these problems. Conservatives want to help level the playing field and give everyone the same opportunity to work hard and earn a piece of the American dream. But our government cannot be mandating the American dream. The reality is that the world's not a fair place, but we live in the greatest country in the world. And if someone's willing to go out and work hard, they'll be able to earn a piece of the American dream and enjoy the fruits of their labor. I know our country has made its share of mistakes, and it's had its moments which weren't as honorable. However, I'm proud of our country and what it has achieved. and I'm proud to be a conservative Republican.